Hello guys, Happy New Year and welcome back again to my channel. So today guys is our topic is all about Xclip command. So to all who doesn't know what is Xclip command, so Xclip command guys is used to make crop and plan, crop and section and others. So without further ado guys, before we start, tell you that don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you'll be aware for our next AutoCAD video tutorial. Okay? So let's start with the Xclip command guys. So we will use this one first. So you know guys, the Xclip command is used to make crop. Okay? So what we have to do to crop this one, so if you want to crop this whole room, you can do it through Xclip command. So okay. So just type Xclip. So Xclip, enter. Then select the object. Okay, select the plan, enter. Then click the new boundary, this one. Then click the rectangular one. Then do like this. Okay. See, we crop already guys. So see the plan. So only the room show already. So you can see in the Xclip guys that there is dotted blue, so you can adjust it guys. So you can adjust the Xclip part. So just click this one, drag, okay, so that you can see everything. So this is for like that Xclip. So I will do it again guys. So this is the Xclip one, so I want to show it again to you. So just copy this plan. Okay, so what you have to do, so by the way guys, so if you want to crop the plan, so it's up to you if you want to be in polygon style or in the rectangular one. So the one we make Xclip is the rectangular. So I'll just show you how to make Xclip to rectangular boundary. Okay, so what we have to do is type Xclip. So XCLP. Okay, enter. Select the plan. Okay, enter. New boundary. Okay, then select rectangular. So this is one guys. Then drag. Okay, so drag to its part of the room you have to crop. Okay, you see. So now we make Xclip guys through rectangular. Okay, boundaries. So how about polygon boundaries? So we have to try this one. Okay, sample plan. So supposed to be we need to crop this one. So we will crop this one. Okay, so this white one, wait, F8. So this area. Okay, so just example really guys. So we have to crop this one so that we can show how to crop this one through polygon boundaries. Okay, so play just zero. So this white one guys is our boundary. So we need to cut Xclip as per this boundary. Okay, so what we have to do is Xclip. Okay, type Xclip, enter. Select the plan, same process guys, enter. Select new boundary. Okay, then you have to, instead of rectangular, you click polygonal. Okay, so click polygonal. So just click this one. Click the edge guys. Then enter. See, we crop guys as per polygon boundaries. Okay, so up to this thing guys, our topics is already finished, and I hope that you learned something on my tutorial. So thank you guys, and I hope you watch me in my next video. Okay, bye bye and God bless.